Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto here. So I had a massive amount of DMs, people asking me to cover the smart contracts I'm in. So in this video, I'll cover the top 10. These 10 is ranging from 0.5% daily to 3% daily, and some of them even giving a set amount of 55% a month. But before you get into any smart contract, make sure to do your own due diligence as well. So the first one we're going to look at is SeekGold. Now SeekGold is basically a wallet where you put your BNB in, and as people come in, you get dividends. As they come in, there's a 10% dividend distribution between everyone according to the amount of SeekGold credits you're holding. When they're selling, there's another 7% dividend distribution according to the amount of SeekGold credits you're using. Now, the benefit of this smart contract is the fact that your funds are always available. The second one is Elephant.Money, that mint and deposit trunk for high yield. Now, this is a unique wallet due to the fact that it's 75% stable. If we go down here, we can see the Elephant treasury and use case built around its act as a large active market participant. This differentiates it from the passive elephant graveyard, which also protects the price of elephant. The elephant treasury also receives passive reflection rewards, which ensure a collaboration ratio above 1, which is required to fully redeem elephant at 25% of the dollar, along with 75% BUSD. Now, this is unique because that means the price of Stampede in the bonds doesn't fluctuate that much. Drip network, 1% daily. And the drip network has been going for over a year already. We go to the faucet, you can deposit drip. The drip network faucet is a low risk, high reward contract that operates similarly to a high yield certificate of deposit by paying out 1% daily return on investments up to 365%. You're getting drip daily according to the amount of drip you have, and it will keep on dripping because it's minting. The benefit of drip is it's building an ecosystem, and we've seen this coin fluctuate heavily in price, ranging from $2 when I got in all the way to $190 at the high point. Seek rewards, another 1% daily until you've gained 210%. It's similar to Tron chain or Ethereum chain in the past, but the difference is the people behind this is building an ecosystem, and they have different structures feeding this ecosystem. That means Seek Rewards is not relying on people to come into the contract due to the ecosystem they're building. Piston token, it just started a day ago. It's similar to Drip, a 1% daily return. A Binance Smart Chain token built on best in its class decentralized technology. Piston was designed to run an ecosystem, earn rewards by depositing your tokens in the Piston race dashboard. Now, if we look at the race dashboard, you can see earn 1% daily until 365% of your investment is reached. Which is unique about this one, you can keep on compounding until you've earned 5 times your money. That means that's basically a 4x. They're also talking about a big ecosystem coming, but this is the new kid on the block and it still has to prove itself. EMP. Now this one is unique. It has a few different ecosystems. The farm, the detonator, nodes, the boardroom, bond, auto vaults. a lot of them. The one I liking is the detonator because it's similar like a drip. You're staking EMP and Ethereum LP tokens, which is unique. The EMP is pegged via algorithm to a 4,000 to 1 ratio to Ethereum. 40k ETH, $10 EMP peg. This means there shouldn't be a permanent loss because as Ethereum goes up, EMP goes up. As Ethereum goes down, EMP goes down due to the fact that it's pegged. Now the detonator is also a 1% daily, but which makes this one unique is the fact that you have to compound or withdraw once a day. There's a clock timer on. If you don't compound or withdraw, when the clock hits 0, you lose that day's gains. It's a way to keep the ecosystem healthy and making sure people is taking funds or compounding. If they're not, they're losing, and the LP tokens probably will get burned. My DiamondTeam, it's a BNB in and out, giving you 1.5% daily returns until you've reached 365%. My DiamondTeam is a high reward contract on Binance Smart Chain that is a 1.5% daily return on investment up to 365%. Investors can compound and extend their earnings through deposits and reinvest rewards as well as through team-based referrals. The principal deposits cannot be withdrawn. Only the returns and the referral rewards are paid out. Another one, keep on dripping daily. The ultimate farm. Now, this is probably the most unique one out there. You can get into the farm. You're basically buying a minter. And this minter will mint for 1 year. Here's the best part. The current PLCU coin is worth $110,000 a coin. And it's minting you 55% in coins a month. You buy the minter and you get a monthly payout according to your coins. This is one to look at for sure. They have a unique way of using these coins and a massive ecosystem that's working. If you want to look into one of these smart contracts, make sure to look at UltimaFarm as well. The animal farm, drip BUSD garden, paying up to 3% daily. You're putting in drip BUSD LP tokens, and according to that, you're getting paid. Depending on how much you withdraw and how much you compound. It's not a set amount of 3%. It can fluctuate. If you keep on withdrawing, your percentage will go down. The more you compound, the better your percentage will be. Piggy bank. Now this one is currently on a pause, but it's also 3% daily. It should be starting again this week coming, and then we'll see how the returns is and what will be happening. These are the smart contracts I'm currently in, the top 10. All the links for everyone will be down in the description. Make sure to subscribe and like and follow my social media for more updates. I'll do individual videos on each of these as well. I've just put it out there, the top 10, what's happening and what's paying me the best so far. Leave me your thoughts and concerns down below and have a great one.